Hello everyone, welcome to this series on Booker Prize winning books, and in this video we are going to discuss Prophet Song by Paul Lynch. Background: Paul Lynch's Prophet Song, winner of the 2023 Booker Prize, is a compelling and timely novel set in a dystopian near-future Dublin, Ireland. This book, the fifth by Lynch, draws inspiration from real-world events such as the Syrian War and the refugee crisis. The novel was completed over a span of 4 years and showcases Lynch's ability to intertwine personal and political narratives to reflect larger societal issues. Plot summary: Prophet Song delves into the gradual transformation of Ireland into a totalitarian state under the control of a right-wing populist government. The story is primarily seen through the eyes of Alice Stack, a commercial scientist and mother of 4. The narrative begins with the sudden arrest of her husband Larry by the newly formed secret police. Larry's arrest acts as the catalyst for Alice's awakening to the reality that her country is descending into authoritarianism. As the democratic norms of society erode, Alice and her family grapple with the terror and chaos that ensue. Themes and analysis: State law versus moral law. A central theme in Prophet's Song is the conflict between authoritarian state laws and personal moral obligations. Alice Stack's journey is marked by her struggle to protect her family while resisting the oppressive regime. This theme highlights the tension between adhering to state-imposed laws and following one's moral compass, especially in times of political turmoil. Nature of tragedy. Lynch masterfully captures the essence of tragedy in his narrative. The novel's relentless bleakness and the inevitability of societal collapse are conveyed through stylistic choices such as the lack of paragraph breaks and continuous prose. These elements create a sense of unending dread, immersing readers in the harrowing experiences of the characters. Familial duty and loyalty. The novel also explores the theme of familial duty and loyalty. Alice's primary concern is the safety and well-being of her children. She faces numerous moral dilemmas, balancing her responsibilities as a mother with her need to resist the oppressive state. This theme underscores the personal sacrifices and difficult choices individuals must make in times of crisis. Key scenes. Several pivotal scenes in Prophet Song highlight the novel's themes and narrative intensity. Larry's arrest marks the beginning of Alice's nightmare, setting off a series of events that force her to confront the harsh realities of her society. The juxtaposition of mundane daily struggles with escalating violence and societal breakdown further emphasizes the novel's tragic elements. Alice's final decision to flee Ireland with her children underscores the themes of sacrifice and survival. Critical reception. Praise. The judges of the Booker Prize praised Prophet Song for its propulsive and unsparing narrative, noting its ability to capture the fragility of society. The novel's compelling hold on the imagination and its chilling plausibility were highlighted as significant strengths. Criticism. However, some readers have found the novel's stylistic choices challenging. The lack of paragraph breaks and unconventional dialogue can make the narrative difficult to follow. Additionally, some critics have pointed out that the ending feels rushed compared to the novel's slow build-up. Comparisons and influences. Prophet Song has been compared to dystopian works by George Orwell, Margaret Atwood, and Cormac McCarthy. These comparisons underscore Lynch's ability to craft a narrative that reflects contemporary issues such as political instability and refugee crisis. The novel's historical context and literary influences add depth to its exploration of totalitarianism and societal collapse. Author's perspective. Paul Lynch emphasizes that Prophet Song is not just a political novel but also a metaphysical exploration of grief. He explores the grief for uncontrollable and incomprehensible societal changes, emphasizing the personal impact of political turmoil. This perspective adds a layer of emotional complexity to the narrative, making it not only a cautionary tale but also a deeply human story. Conclusion: Prophet Song by Paul Lynch is a poignant and powerful novel that delves into the impact of totalitarianism on ordinary lives. Its relevance to current global political climates makes it a crucial read for understanding the consequences of authoritarian regimes. Through its exploration of state law versus moral law, familial duty, and the nature of tragedy, the novel offers a compelling and thought-provoking narrative that resonates with readers long after the last page is turned. So this was the analysis of the novel Prophet Song by Paul Lynch. We will meet in the next video and take up some other work. Until then, goodbye and thank you.